Alright guys, so rolling down here. It looks like someone, if that's two-wheel drive and they just pulled them over there, I'm gonna laugh. But we got a call for this Subaru, which, you know, Subaru is supposed to be all-wheel drive, and I'll tell you what, that Subaru looks like it's fun nothing but front tire.
Whoa.
So we're gonna,
expensive Subarus, you're able to get them in front-wheel drive.
we're gonna see if this Subaru is actually all-wheel drive and what's going on here. He's got lights and a rack and stuff. You would think that it'd be all-wheel drive. Are they about to go hook it up to the Subaru now?
Oh, is that?
I think he actually told them off.
That was quick.
Yeah, we try.
Appreciate you.
Of course. So is the back just not getting power?
Huh?
Like these things are, it's supposed to be all-wheel drive, right?
My rears are not spinning. I think I got a solenoid in my CVT out.
Huh. I'm like, I don't know Subis that well. I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So it hasn't given you any power to the back the whole time? Wow. All right. That sucks. Okay. Well, yeah, I mean, we can just back it up. Have you used this before? You trust it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I mean, we'll take it nice and easy. Yeah, exactly, right. So we'll just give it a nice, easy pull. We can just back it up straight here, and then hopefully you can pull straight up out of here. I can do it for like half price for you. I'll get it hooked up. We'll do a kinetic rope, but I'm just gonna pull it nice and easy and get you straight into the lane, and then you can get out of here.
I get them loaded up.
Do what you gotta do. I'll get it hooked up. You take your time, brother.
Thank you.
What was your name, man?
Tommy.
Tommy. John. Nice to meet you, man. Yep. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it nice, honestly, because the Yankum rope is easier than the solid winch line. You know what I mean? All right, guys. I know I'm pulling on the eyelet. He's done it before. We're gonna take it nice and easy, so don't worry. You all loaded up? You need a little bit more time.
Oh, we'll get that in after.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull nice, slow, and easy. Your wheel's probably already at a good angle, so just actually. So you're gonna want to try and turn a passenger, but it won't move until we start pulling on it. So once we start pulling on it, just give me a little bit of gas and straighten that wheel out, and we'll get it up out. Reverse.
All right.
Yeah, because then when you start to give it a little gas out, wheel will free up.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Yep. Back it up a few more feet. Hold on. Yeah, it's only sending it to the front. We're probably gonna have to tow it all the way out. Try and turn that wheel this way. Hold on. Oh boy. All right, try and give it a little bit of gas and turn towards me, just so I can see better in there. All right, stop. Well, that's inconvenient. All right, so what I think we're gonna have an easier time doing is, instead of trying to hook up to the front, I can just get it at an angle, pull you across down onto the hard sand, and then you can follow me. I'll lead you, and we'll come on the hard sand, and we'll rip up through there onto the concrete. And then if you need, I can help you load stuff up at the ramp, all right?
All right, cool.
All right, yep. We'll take it nice and slow, straighten that wheel out, and then once we start moving, turn it nice and slow to the driver's side, and we'll come down onto the hard sand.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Yep, so what I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna reverse straight down and kind of back in after this umbrella stuff, and then you'll pull forward, you'll follow me, I'll lead you. Let me go park my truck over there and take a look. I'll be right back. All right, here, back up and get facing this way and then follow me.
All right, thank you.
Yep. What's up, buddy?
I want to say hello. I watch all your stuff.
Hell yeah, appreciate it, man.
Your dad on the other end over there.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
You said it's more squirrely over here, so I was like...
Yeah, the further north you go, the worse it gets. But hey, man, have fun out here. All right, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna pull up over there, and instead of having you follow me, I'm gonna park on the side, and I'm gonna get out and make sure everyone's out of the way and clear, and then we'll get you a good clean run and try and rip you out of here, okay?
All right, cool. Thank you, bro.
Yep. You can get a video. So, yep, I'm gonna have you pull up next to my truck and then back straight up. I'd back it up like, 10 feet from the water. You're gonna wanna get your speed up. Does it have traction control? You have it off already?
No.
Make sure you have that off.
It turns on by itself automatically.
Okay. But you're able to turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, let me make sure everyone's out of the way. Once I give you the signal, start easy, get on it easy at first, get your speed up, and then really start easing onto it, and you'll want to hit it at, 10, 15, and you should be able to mob through that spot and get up onto the concrete, okay?
Have to give her help.
Yeah.
I'm scared because he left his ramp down.
Oh yeah, I'll go get him for him. I don't even know if he noticed. We gotta go get your ramps. Don't let me forget, your ramps. We gotta go get your ramps. Your ramps for under your tires?
Yeah.
He said you left them down there. We can't forget to go grab them. I'll go get them for you.
I can't hear you.
You're good. Your ramps, your traction boards, we left them. That's what I'm saying. Don't let me forget. I'll go grab them for you when we get you out, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right. All right. Guys, make sure you don't walk through. I'm gonna have him fly up through here, just so you know. All right, let's go. Goes. Fly it, fly it, fly it, fly it, fly it. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. There we go, baby. Hell yeah. All right. You're goated.
Bro, thank y'all.
Of course, man.
Bro, what do y'all have on this setup?
33s. There's actually, this one's pretty stock, to be honest with you.
Really?
That's a 1.
Oh shit, sorry.
You're good. Yeah, no, this is our newest rig, so it actually doesn't have much done to it yet, but we're working on it.
Toyotas, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, look us up. You see us on YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff. Hell yeah. What was your name, man?
Tommy.
Tommy.
John,
nice
right?
to meet you. Yep.
Yo, thank y'all.
Hey, y'all have a blessed day, all right?